you come. Up till now, I've not seen where that car commission. Up till now, I've not seen the tank. Yeah. Tank is there. Where? If you entry, tank is there. This is your tank. Yeah. This is a really good. Yeah. Still have small work to do.
No, but tell me how to watch it back and that's not there tomorrow.
We are doing it because that means the training. Offices that toilets, all of them. You know?
We just concluded our inspection for today on our fire service station. We are trying to put the major three fire stations that we have in the state into an effective state where rapid and quick response will be achieved in fighting issues of fire incidents in the state. For a very long time we have had this situation that we had to depend on the multinationals, Shell, Ajib, and Chevron, and even F at that time, including now, to respond to fire incidents in the state. We're a government, and one of our responsibility, or what I say amongst our responsibility, is to protect lives and property. Issues of fire incidents at times might be natural or as a result of some mistakes in our homes. So it's our duty to make sure that we are prepared to combat it whenever it occurs. So we're trying to make sure that we do not depend again on the multinational, but be ready and prepared to save life and properties of the Rivers people. From what we have seen today, we can confirm that the contractor is working very hard to meet the deadline. We must, I repeat, we must commission this project first week of March. I can boldly say that Rivers State has not had a functional fire service for the past 12 years.
Yes.
Okay, that's well from this to the two. Hey, stop walking on top of that.
Come, stop walking here. Go back.
Okay, let's go to a town.